This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the worksheet and defining the print area so you only lay out what matters. Open the Page Layout tab and set orientation to portrait or landscape and pick paper size. This dictates column wrapping. Once done, set margins using normal or custom margins to reserve headers and footers. Make sure to use scale to fit controls for width and height to avoid unexpected extra pages, because this step prevents messy page breaks later on. You now refine how the sheet reads on paper by repeating headers and adjusting scale. Go to Print Titles and set rows to repeat at top so column labels stay visible across pages. This keeps context. Then open header/footer to insert page numbers and file info. Use and page and and pages for automatic numbering. Next, switch to Page Break Preview and drag blue lines to fine-tune breaks. This gives visual control and prevents orphaned rows, which is crucial for readability. You finish by previewing and locking the layout. Use Print Preview to scan page order, margins, and whether any columns are cut off. Zoom in to confirm legibility. Export to PDF to preserve the exact layout for others or for print shops. If things go wrong, inspect hidden rows/columns, reset scaling if above 100%, and reopen Page Break Preview to move breaks back. Remember to reapply print titles after major edits, so header.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.